What up, y'all? This your boy Omaha Monty, and today I'm going to be installing these light strips for the inside interior lights. So right now, what I'm trying to figure out is where the hell I'm going to be hiding all this wire, so none of it's going to be like exposed. So I see right here, I'm gonna just tuck it in, but I gotta see how much to tuck in and how much I'm gonna be able to hide up in here. So I'm gonna get this camera repositioned, and I'm gonna set it over there so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to get this shit figured out right now, so just give me a second. All right, y'all, so after figuring out how I'm gonna hide this cord, I'm gonna have to unscrew this right here and then tuck the wire underneath this, roll it all the way around, and then tuck it all down in there, and just keep on tucking it so everything will be invisible, so nobody will be able to see the cord, and all, you know, it's just gonna be lighting up. So I'm about to set the camera down real quick, and then let y'all see me do a little bit. I ain't gonna record the whole thing, so you know, that's a little boring. All right, let's get to it. All right, y'all, I got the cords. They're all hidden, you know, they're underneath here. So let me push that one in a little bit. So it's running underneath there. I'm about to do a test run to make sure everything is going all right. Got the little controller, so we're gonna go to the modes. Let's see the modes. It's not too dark. I'm gonna have to film the rest at nighttime so y'all can see what it look like. But it's on. They working. Figure out what modes I want to run this. There we go. I think I might start switching right now. There we go. Got it under there, so you know, kind of hidden. So it's gonna shine on the feet real bright like that. Now I gotta do the other side, and then I gotta do under the seats. So I'm gonna try to finish this up real quick because I don't feel like being out here all day. It's hot and humid outside. All right, y'all, so I got most of the wires hidden. You know, they all tucked in under there. I got them in the front, and then I got them in the back, and I got a few more hours left till it get dark, and then I'm gonna finish the video from there. All right, it's pretty dark. Press this button there real quick. There we go. I got my controller. I was already doing it. It's on a slow mode right now, so it's just gonna go through all the colors real slowly. I could change the speed. You already know how. I ain't gotta tell you everything you do. I'm pretty sure you guys already know what the LED strips and what all the colors do. So this is it right here. I'm satisfied with it. And the camera blurry. Hold on, y'all. So that's it, y'all. That's it. All right, y'all, make sure you comment, subscribe, and like. That's the end of the video. I'm out.